Hi everyone, it's Anna at Spoiler Cosplay. Welcome to my Into the Spider-Verse Spider-Gwen makeup tutorial. This look is super easy and natural, making it great for beginners, so let's get started. So I am starting with a bare face, and I will be priming with a CoverGirl Pore Filling Primer. I am spreading this across my entire face, but concentrating the most where my pores are the largest and in my T-zone. Now I will be priming my eyelids with an Ulta brand eyelid primer. I only use a tiny bit to prime my lids for eyeshadow, but it goes a long way. Now I will be applying my foundation. I am using the L'Oreal True Match in the shade Classic Ivory and blending it in with a damp beauty blender. So now that my foundation is done, I will be going in with my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Ivory. I will be highlighting my nose, chin, under eyes, and forehead, as well as covering any blemishes I may have, and blend them out with a beauty blender. So Gwen has some dark and pretty arched eyebrows. I am using a Milani brow pomade in the shade Brunette to fill in my brows. I am making them thick and attempting to give my straight brows somewhat of an arch. To set my foundation, I will be using the CoverGirl Loose Powder in the shade Fair. First, I will use a beauty blender to press foundation into the areas that will crease the most, such as my under eyes, corners of my nose, dimples, and chin. Once these areas are set, I go in with my brush and set the rest of my face. To keep my brows in place, I am brushing an Ulta brand brow tint over them. This isn't necessary for the look, but just a personal preference. Now, to start the eyes, I am going to use the shade Blank Canvas from the Venus XL palette by Lime Crime. I'm going to put this all over my lid and up to my brow. Then I will switch over to the Sweet Peach palette from Too Faced. I'm taking the shade Puree and placing it in the outer corner and brushing it into the crease and bringing it towards the center of my eye, but not all the way. You want to keep the center the nude shade that you placed before. Then I will go in with a bit of the shade Summer Yum in the very outer corner and crease, as well as below the lower lashes. For her eyeliner, I am using a pencil and drawing a thin to medium line starting from the inner corner of my eye and going all the way to the outer corner. I don't do a wing, but you could totally add a small wing to the end. Gwen has some light freckles, so I am using the same brow pomade from earlier to lightly draw on freckles. Concentrate these on the bridge of your nose and move out towards your cheeks. To blend the freckles out, I am using a beauty blender and setting with powder. For blush, I am using a natural orange blush from an e.l.f. blush palette and brushing it under my eyes and across the bridge of my nose. Now set all that makeup with a setting spray of your choice and let dry. Now I am lightly coating my lashes with mascara. Gwen doesn't have very distinguishable lashes, so go light. I like to brush through my freshly coated lashes with a clean wand to separate any clumps. For lips, I am using a very light coat of NYX's Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Stockholm and spreading it out with my finger for a natural looking color. Gwen's brow piercing is very easy to fake. I am using some body piercing balls and eyelash glue. Put glue on the ball and where you want it to sit on your brow, give it time to get tacky, and apply. Thank you for watching my Into the Spider-Verse Spider-Gwen makeup tutorial. Links to my suit, wig, piercing balls, and Instagram will be in the description down below. Please leave a like or subscribe if this was helpful, and I hope to see you again soon.